You can say that God is the CEO of your business and you're the general manager appointed.
I work with a life coach too with all this. And like one of the main things that I struggle with is, what people will think, and is it
Well,
like
think.
is it ethical, and like the coaches that I have, I feel like they like without them I'm nothing in my space, because they're
Hmm.
making way more money than me in what I do in
Hmm.
TikTok. And so if I do something they're not cool with, then I miss out on them in my business, and I also miss out on
Yeah.
them in my friendship and my connections, because
Yeah.
networking is really important
But
too.
I'll give you one more insight, which is, you have this really interesting model where you basically pay all of your coaches a fixed percentage, 70% of every sale, when the best digital product businesses out there don't pay their coaches on a rev share 70% model. What they do is you are the coach, you are the founder of the product, and you pay experts an hourly rate, $50 an hour, $100 an hour for an hour of the time, and that's the product. Like this whole like I think the thing that's preventing your business from scaling, Priscilla, the thing that's preventing your business from scaling is the fact that you feel that you need permission from your peers or approval from people that you look up to and respect in your industry so that you can continue to grow your business. I think that's the common thing I'm starting to see. You need the validation or approval of your industry, your peers, these coaches that do bigger numbers than you. You need for them to feel like they're on the same page, right? When the reality is this is your business. This is the path that God has called you on, and this is a business that the only person that you report to is God. You can say that God is the CEO of your business and you're the general manager appointed, right? You're the
Yeah.
first lead employee, the manager appointed of this business, but that's it. You don't report to anyone
Yeah.
else. And you have advisors, you have people that will speak into your ear, you'll have someone like myself that will give you the outside perspective. But if you think my advice is dumb and you don't want to take it, you have that right to do that. And if you don't want to take the advice from your peers, you don't want to take advice from people that you're worried about judging you, you don't have to take that either, right? You have to build a business around you and you have to call the shots in the business, right?